Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm back with another video. As usual, man, giving y'all the good content, man. Today's video, we finna work on the Lincoln TownCar, which is right here. We finna install some LED running boards, just like I got on this car as well. So if you watch this video, I'm gonna put a little video in the top up here to give y'all kind of an idea what I did to this one. It's a lot easier on the Lincoln TownCar, like I said it would be. If you watch, if you watch the full video of my Dodge Journey video. But once again, it is a lot easier. It's 10 times easier on this car as well. So other than that, man. Also, I got this piece. I did a little price check. I didn't do it the first time I bought the LED lights on this car. I got the LED lights for this car, the Sequentials, on this car from eBay. I paid like 37 bucks. It's in the link in the description in that video as well. I paid like $37, $38 for it. Excuse me, ended up being like 40 something or like 38, something like that, man. But I got the LED sequential lights from this car, from my TownCar. I got them on Amazon. I got them shipped. I think I had a coupon like 13% off or something like that. Originally like $33, ended up being 29 bucks for the whole light. I ended up paying like $32 out of pocket. So that was really a lot cheaper, like $8 cheaper or something like that. So other than that, man, I'm gonna put the link in the description of that as well. But make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Smash the subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell. Turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. But let's get into it.
Yeah, hey, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm bad. When he dials my number, he says that he wants his why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss. Then I'm coming back, but my homie.
So you want to place your jack in the center on your frame on this Lincoln TownCar. Be easier that way, so you got to go on both sides and anything like that. So place it down in the center and just jack it up from there. You should be good to go. Then we're going to get to the next steps and tools and things you need to this. So the reason you need to super clean, obviously you see right here, you need to spray wherever you're going to put that adhesive down on. So spray that and go over it with a towel. So right here we're just kind of prepping ourselves. You want to make it a lot easier. So once we put that the running board down, we're going to put those clamps on there that you've seen in my previous video with the Dodge Journey. I had trouble with it. They actually fell off. I had to go buy more sequential lights, running board lights. So go ahead and prep yourself. Put these in the screws inside the little guards, and you'll be good to go. So right here, I'm just going ahead and put my adhesive on there. So I'm removing the little red film, put my adhesive on there. Put it on there a certain way. Not anything special or anything like that, but I believe I'll show y'all in one of my next clips. Just go ahead and put the adhesive on there, then we're going to put the little clear guards on there. Uphold it just in case the adhesive loses adhesiveness. So just be warned, these screws are small as hell. I didn't really mention it in the beginning, but you need a P1 screw bit to get those in there. So it's gonna be like the smallest screw bit that you can find pretty much. It'll drill through. It's not. It's tough because they're smaller screws and they spin and they easy. You're struggling with them. That's all I'm trying to say. You're gonna struggle with them. I'm gonna be honest with you. But it's take about like less than 5 minutes to put them on. So the way I put mine on there, I do recommend you doing them the exact way. I skip like a little space. You see at the beginning, I skip a little space. That little tab, you do it just that way. This is a 70-inch running board, so it is a lot longer than how it was on my Dodge Journey. So it's pretty long, and they even fit the. So once again, it's a lot easier on the TownCar. It's a lot of ins and outs, more space. This car's really good to work on. So as you see, as you're going to see throughout the video, or this piece of the video, I'll put that wire on that nut that you see right there in your pretty much right corner. It makes it a lot easier to get to maneuver with the wire. So you might know what spot I'm showing y'all, but I had to pretty much not rewire it. I pushed the wire back down and looped it back around to where that tab is at to make it look a lot more cleaner and neater. That's all. So right here, you just want to remove that plastic cover that goes on the front hood. You should have 4 pieces. I only have 2. I lost my other 2. Easily removes them. It locates your headlights. I'm going to put my link, not a link, but I'm going to put it up here at the top right. A little title showing how you get to your headlights. I did a video on it. If you scroll down to my channel and watch my fog light video, I did it on that one. But I'm going to put the link up here at the top of the screen as well. So you can have reference to. Mine's already wired, so it's like 10 times easier when you already have it wired in. It's got to literally connect the wires, and it make it 10 times faster. So right here, I'm just trying to connect my, kind of separate my right turn signal light. It's already crimped a little bit, so I'm just trying to peel it off. So right here, I'm just using the tools that came in the package, the wire crimps. I don't know exactly what you call them, but I call them wire crimps. I'm just connecting both of my wires together and put them on both on the same side instead of putting on each side of the crimp. So right here I'm doing the same thing to my power wire. Just trying to make sure everything works. Everything I'm doing, I'm just testing it out right now. So I'm crimping the wire all on one side instead of putting them wires on both ends, or one on each end. Sorry. But I'm gonna put it to my battery just to test it out. But I end up putting it to my headlight. They actually work on the headlights on this car and not like the Dodge Journey. So right here, you actually can see in the top right screen is flashing on the Dodge Journey on the black. So it actually is working. So right here, I'm over here testing the headlight wire, the power to the headlights. Just make sure it works. That's all I'm doing. I didn't show it on video, I mean, like turning the camera around and showing that it worked, but it does definitely work on this car. But what I'm doing right here, I know you see just the back of my damn head, but you need a 5/16 to just unloosen your negative battery terminal a little bit and put your ground on there. That's literally it. That's all I'm doing. So right here, well, pretty much the last step. Go ahead and crimp your white wire, which is going to be your park assist. I use my black. I use the black and red wire, pretty much like the negative wire, to crimp that through, because I use my power wire, my red power wire, to go to my headlight. I use my red power wire to go to my left turn signal. So I use that black and red wire, or red stripe, to go to the interior to my park assist. So that's all I'm doing right here. So last tool I thought I wouldn't be using, but it's an upholstery tool. It's like a couple dollars at the auto store. So once you remove those 2 or 3 tabs, it'll take you to your interior light, and it should be the black and blue stripe wire. That's obvious. It should be obviously power wire. The black wire is always a negative wire. Solid black wire is always negative, so that light blue stripe wire is going to be the positive, which it did. So almost got to show this part. You want to just wrap your wire around there, hide the wire more. That's all you got to do. Simple as that. So once again, that black and blue stripe wire is the positive, as you see in the video. Okay, so everybody, I'm gonna put the link in the description as well. When I installed these right here, is when I actually moved these headlights. Everything's already set up, so it made it a lot easier. So that's why it's good to actually mount your car. It made it 10 times easier. You had to pull the headlight out or anything like that. If you did mount your car, good. You had to do all this stuff. So the car looks similar to mine. Then you didn't have to do all that stuff. But other than that, all I did was wire my wires normal way. I showed y'all this side, but I didn't show y'all this side because it's the same way. But all I pretty much did, same thing on this side. Wrap the that wire all the way to that side, to the inside of the pretty much wheel well. Came up here on the other side, behind this. Boom. See the black wire, not the red wire, but the black wire. And the black goes all the way down here. And I have my power. I have to do extra wire, so obviously all the wire. The black wire going over there. Turn signal, everything's over here in turn signal. So I have my turn signal right here. And then I have my my power going to my headlight. See, on this car, you watch my Dodge Journey video. On the Dodge Journey, they do not work properly at all on the headlights, on the light. But on here, they work perfectly. So I got my running board lights connected to my headlights, and then I have my park assist, which is going to red wire right here, all the way through here. And then as you've seen in the midst of the video as well, it's simple. It's a lot easier. Like I said in my video, in my Dodge Journey video, it'll be a lot easier. So all I did was wrap it around. It's so much more simpler. Literally just wrapped it around, and you see the little wire right here. If y'all can see it, it comes literally through right there. And as you see as well, my little sheet front. So it does work better than what it does on the Journey. What was that? But once again, it does wrap around. Boom. Same thing on the other side. This one's just a little bit smaller, so you have just one tab and then it'll fold down. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, Pretty simple mod for this car. Really, really simple. I just want to put the key in the ignition. So it does switch. It does flicker a little bit more. And I don't know what that sound is, but I believe it's this little, this right here or something down here. It's like a little compressor. I don't know what it is, but I guess it like, I don't know what it does, but I don't see no issue. But this is it, and then it turned white. You do it. I like how it flickers, and I don't at the same time. And then you have the transform, boom. And then obviously, man, I'm gonna give y'all a nice video as well. Me driving it, all that type of good stuff. Other than that, man, y'all look out for that part.
Listening to a montage production. Listening to a montage production. You're listening to a montage production.
The laugh, I'm laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sing now.